So to begin, start by prepping the skin with a moisturiser and a lip balm. Now take the PLOUISE base and carve out underneath your eyebrows and apply the rest all over the eyelid. Then take a fluffy blending brush and blend out any harsh edges. Apply this transition colour slightly above the natural crease of the eye in sweeping and circular motions to get a seamless blend. Take a darker shade and apply this just below the original colour we applied, but still remain slightly above the natural crease of the eye. Now taking a darker shade again, apply this directly into the crease and on the outer edge of the eye. The closer to the lash line, the darker we want to get. Now take the previous shades we used and blend out those edges so that we have a seamless finish. Now take this peach shade and apply it directly into the crease and the outer edge using a smaller, more defined brush. And again, blend, blend, blend. Now use the PLOUISE base to carve out the lid and create a half cut crease. Using this light shimmery shade, I'm placing this all over the inner part of the eye where we've created that cut crease. I'm now taking the peachy shade that we used in the crease and placing this on the outer edge of the cut crease to create a more seamless look. Then take a small fluffy blending brush to feather the edges and create a gradient look. Then take the shimmery shade again to further enhance this. Use this shade in the outer corner, use small circular motions and try to create a V shape. Use that small blending brush to soften the edges and then reapply the colour for more depth as needed, and again blend out. With an even darker shade, take this in the outer V of the eye with a small defined brush and blend out the edges. When you're happy with how it looks, take your makeup remover to clean up any fallout and create a wing shape with the eye. To soften the edge, use your blending brushes. Now take an eyeliner and create a wing. Now take your primer and apply this all over the T-zone area or anywhere where you have problem areas like large pores or oiliness. I'm then taking my foundation and applying it all over my skin, but I'm avoiding my under eye area because I'll be putting concealer on here later on. I'm using a large stippling brush to just press this into the skin because I think that gives a more airbrushed finish. I'm using this Nars concealer to highlight underneath my eyes. I'm also placing it down the bridge of my nose, on my chin and on my forehead, and I'm going to blend that out. When I'm happy with how everything looks, I'm using this powder to set underneath my eyes, my nose, my chin, anywhere I've placed the concealer, and then using this powder puff to set the rest of my face. I'm applying my bronzer in a basic 3 shape, around the edge of my forehead, underneath the cheekbones, underneath your chin. Definitely need to disguise that double chin, and if you want you can apply it to the nose. I'm then applying this blush from Milani onto the apples of my cheeks and sweeping back up into the tops of my cheekbones. I'm then drowning myself in setting spray to get rid of that powdery look, and it will also give my highlights something to stick to. Because I love a pop and highlight, I'm applying a slightly lighter highlight to the very high points of the face. And then again drenching myself in setting spray to lock everything down. Back to the eyes, I'm lining my waterline with a black Kohl eye pencil. I'm then using the shades from the upper lid and applying these on the lower lash line and blending out, working from darkest to lightest. Apply your mascara and eyelashes, and then onto lips. Starting on the bottom lip, use your liner to draw along the natural line of your lips. I like to slightly overdraw mine to give the illusion of bigger lips. Repeat on the top. I'm then applying a lipstick that's slightly lighter all over my lips and blending out with my finger. I love this one from Bperfect. I'm then taking an even lighter lipstick and placing this in the very centre of the lip for a real pouty look. You can't stop here, but I love a glossy lip, so I'm applying this lip gloss from LORAC. And there's the finished look, a full glam look with a wearable half-cut crease and some unnecessary posing. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, leave me a comment below, like, share and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Bye!